Hello everyone, I'm coming to y'all doing a little fall decor decorating in the house. Nothing major, but I've been looking at some other little fall decor videos, getting some ideas, and I just want to share it with you guys. So here are some of my little ideas. I'll show you the video. I got a little door sign to put on the door, which I've had for years, and I'm gonna hang it on the door, and it's very, very cute. I got some little pumpkins and miniature pumpkins, mini pumpkins. I'm gonna make some little candy jars. I got that idea from Sharon. Sharon She So Fabulous. I got that idea from her, and let's see how well it goes, y'all. So here's a picture or a video of some of the things that I have. So take a look. Here's my little door wreath hanger. My little, not a wreath, but a sign to put on the door. It's so cute, y'all. I've had it for some years now. It says Autumn Blessings. I actually got it a few years ago. It was on sale at Walmart for $3, and originally it was $9.88. I got some little pumpkins, some little glitter pumpkins. They're all very cute. They were 98 cents, y'all, at Walmart. Little white one. Mini pumpkins with little pine cones. I got a little sign. And with this sign, I believe I'm gonna put some of these mini pumpkins. I have an idea. I'm gonna see how well it works. I'm gonna glue them on top. We'll see. You'll see at the end. And here's a little cheap bouquet of flowers, 98 cents. I believe I'm gonna take those off and glue them to my little jars that I'm gonna make candy jars out of. I got these. They're little mason jars, cannon jars. I got from Walmart. A pack of 4 for $4.88. I'm gonna put candy in those. And here's the candy that I'm gonna put in it. Autumn mix. So yeah. And I'm gonna put it on the bar in the house, which let me show you the bar real quick. Alright, and here's the bar that everything's gonna go on. Right above the kitchen sink.
What do you guys want to listen to? Oh, hip hop. Reggaeton.
And let's get to doing. was it. It wasn't much, but I thought it was very cute. I'm actually very proud of myself for doing it. I like it a lot. So I am officially in the fall spirit. But thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for more. All right, bye y'all.